Oh my gosh, I can't even believe this. We've got all the birds in the car and our moving truck is stuck. We were supposed to leave 2 hours ago. Okay guys, as you can see, we've got the tow truck. It's going to get our moving truck out of the mud. All the birds are in the car. We have a hedgehog, we have guinea pigs, we have rabbits, and a bearded dragon. Did I miss anything? Oh, I've got kids too. So I have lots of precious cargo going on. This is what's happening right now. We had to hire, it's $350 minimum to get this out. So what we did is we gave the birds their water bottles and gave them some food while they're waiting. This is why it's important, guys, to have an emergency plan in place for when you're transporting your birds, to make sure that if there's an emergency, you can give them food and water and comfort. Hi, Kona. Are you waiting to go home? Man almighty. Is Dad in there, obviously? This is unbelievable. Okay, the tow truck came. It's time to get back on the road, isn't it? Okay, let's go. Okay. I know. I can't believe. So, and then they don't even give us the hamburgers. It's crazy. So to top it off, we didn't even get all of our hamburgers. I went and got food since we're sitting here. All right, here we go, guys. What do you mean it's falling apart? The cage is falling apart?
Get the other side of it, Jessica.
Oh, let me help you. Oh, but here, you hold this, you help. Oh my gosh. Here, let me take this. Careful, careful!
Beforehand.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's missing a screw.
Oh no! That's okay, we can get a screw. Oh, it smells good in here. Oh no!
See, look. Wow.
One of the cages got a little bent. It looks like this one. Here's Kona's cage. And I think it's okay. It's missing a screw from the move. This is a little What is that grade? I think it's so this is Henry and Axel's cage. And they're gonna be with Haley in her bedroom. Okay, here is, oh my gosh, what's going on? Oh no, it totally cracked everywhere. Okay, so the moving is, the cages, some of them got damaged. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to replace these. This tray is cracked. I can use it for now, but I don't like it, so I'm gonna have to get new ones. Hi, Mom.
Hi, I'm the bird woman.
We're gonna turn you into a bird girl.
I have Smokey. So the guys are back. We have coffee and donuts if you want to take a break.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
More drama with the moving. Now the
Left brake.
brake on the trailer started smoking and it's holding all of the bird cages.
Oh, God.
Man, we already had to stop once because the trailer came unlatched. Are you having fun, Bear? Maybe it's mopping for me. I'm so blessed. You rock, Mom.
Maybe it's a girl because his name is Dolly.
Wow, look at you, girlfriend. Oh, school books.
Yeah.
That actually goes in the garage. That's not going in here. Sorry. Beep, beep, beep. Back in the garage.
Oh, girl.
Our school supplies are going to be organized.
Bring our baby back in. Okay,
Bye. Nice seeing ya.
Yeah, you too. Sorry, wrong house.